Hello everybody and welcome to the Dashboard Channel, your North Florida car show connection. This week we're taking you out to the Yulee Cars Coffee monthly meetup for February. This is going to be our Walkabout cam video. We take a camera, a selfie stick, and just go around through the show and show you what's out there. Our show this month was a little bit smaller. It was on a different weekend and the weather didn't look that great first thing in the morning and it was windy, but it did turn out to be a nice day. So, not sure why people didn't show up unless it was just because they were confused about what weekend it was on. You know, schedules change, plans change, weather, scheduling, whatever conflicts, it happens. Anyway, this is gonna be our Walkabout cam, like I said. I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do, make sure you do all the YouTube things, the likes, the subscribes, the comments, all the stuff that makes YouTube work. Anyway, that's about all I got. So I'm going to shut up. We're going to take you out to the cars. Let's rev every hot rod!
That's what I did when I did the rockers. Put the rockers in, I shot it all up in there, did everything I could get. I didn't do I should have done the roof panel, but
it sucks because you stop it. It's in there. How you gonna get it out?
I mean, 30 years ago, I shoved the rust full of fiberglass and
Yeah,
it's just now
me
popping
too.
out.
Yeah, me too. But I'm just saying, now you know the right way to do it.
I won't do it to somebody else's car unless they specifically say, hey.
I know. But if
Tomorrow's great. It's
Excuse me?
been all repainted and it's going back together now. And I'm hoping I can get it back in 2 to 3 weeks. I'm hoping by car show week I finally get it back after a year and I'm unsupervised.
if you're wanting to play newer games where they run the Series S and the Series X,
Oh, you're good. You're good. I appreciate it.
Alright guys, that's going to wrap up this video from the Yulee Cars and Coffee monthly meetup. A little bit smaller this month. Like I said in the intro, not sure what the factor was. I did find out after the fact that part of the group that would usually come out, Kings and Cars and Coffee, was off at some other event that I didn't even know about. It was at some sort of cafe that was doing a car show thing. I never heard of it before, didn't hear about it, didn't see it advertised, didn't see anything about it, so didn't know about it to go to it. So that is what it is. It happens, guys. I'm not perfect. I can't get everywhere all at once. Although that would be something if I could. Anyway, make sure you do all the YouTube things that help the channel out. The likes, the subscribes, the comments, the shares. It all helps. Any interaction tells YouTube you're actually watching the videos and you're enjoying what you're watching, and it recommends it to other people to bring them into the channel. We're at 349 subscribers as of time of this recording. It could change by the time this actually gets released, but hey, that's the nature of the beast. When I'm recording these things for later, it just, it changes. Anyway, so we're trying to get to 500. That's our goal. We want to get that initial monetization money to start, building the channel more, getting more equipment, going to further out car shows, that kind of thing that a little bit of sponsorship dollars or ad revenue would help out with. So that's going to be it for this video. We're going to be going out to the car shows again this weekend. We got a busy weekend coming up. We've got a lot of videos coming up. I'm going to get swamped. I know it, but it's a good thing because there's going to be weekends coming up where it's going to be either raining or there's going to be no car shows or whatever, and I'll have content to put out for you guys. I try to run about a week of content behind so that I have, that emergency if there's a drought of content or there's no car shows or we just get flooded and then it's raining all weekend and car shows get canceled. Whatever. Anyway, so we're going to go out to the car shows this weekend. We've got a big weekend. We've got like 4 car shows this weekend. These guys are killing me on Saturdays, having 3 car shows a day. That's my problem. That's my cross to bear, guys. Anyway, so we'll see you guys out at the car show. Cruising for Kids at Densmore, Wings and Wheels 4 in St. Augustine, and Main Street Cruise In Jacksonville. So, see you guys out there.